There's an extra step we're going to take, and that is installing Homebrew. So Homebrew is self-proclaimed as the missing package manager for Mac OS and for Linux. And you can see it has instructions to install. We're going to paste a line into our Mac OS terminal. But first, we're just going to take a brief look at what does Homebrew do. So it installs the stuff that you need that Apple or Linux didn't install for you. And this is usually things that are related to web development. Obviously, that's what our case is. So we are going to follow their instructions, copy this, and we're going to open up our terminal. We're going to use Command Spacebar. Then we're just going to type in terminal, and that'll open up our terminal. We'll make it full screen, and I'm going to use Command plus to zoom in so we can see it. And I'm going to paste that in there, press enter, and it's going to ask for my password. I'm going to put in my password here, press enter. So now it's telling you this is what it's going to do. It's going to install these things. I'm going to press enter to allow it to do that. And it's going to ask me for my password again, and again, and again. Okay, so now it's going to install. It asked me for my password multiple times just because I was having some issues with my sudo commands here, but for you, it should just actually run what it's running now. Okay, so we have successfully installed Homebrew. Awesome. So we can actually close this terminal for now. Now, if we go back to our browser, we can see that to install Git, we have just one simple command in Homebrew that we're going to run. So we're going to actually create another terminal. So I did not need to close that other one, but I did. So let's open a fresh one, start over, and we're going to just run the command brew install git, press enter. And you can see it's downloading. Okay, that's done being installed. Let's just confirm that it is installed. We're going to type git -- version. And we see that we have a version number there. Perfect, it's installed. All right, so next we can actually now close our terminal. We're done with it. And we're going to go back to our browser. And we're going to download Visual Studio Code. We can see that there's a Windows version here, but we're on Mac right now, so we're going to download the Mac version. Okay, once that's finished downloading, we're going to click on the file. And we can see we have the file here. If we click on it, we can see that our application is downloaded from the internet. Are we sure we want to open it? So you can see that this is actually already pre-bundled. We don't even need to install anything. And you can see that this opened my previous project, my quote generator. So yeah, that's all working. Perfect. So that's it for the setup that is specific to Mac. In the next videos, I'm going to go over the rest of the setup that you'll need that will apply to both Windows and Mac, starting with setting up our GitHub account. All right, I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.